If you are looking to upgrade your lawn care routine this year, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are breaking down the top 3 best smart sprinkler controllers. We are going to look at the features that actually save you time and money and help you find the perfect fit for your yard and your budget. Whether you are a tech enthusiast wanting total control or just someone who wants a greener lawn without the hassle, we've got an option for you. First up, we have the Orbit 57946 B-hyve 6-zone Smart Indoor-Outdoor Sprinkler Controller. This is a fantastic option if you value flexibility, because it is designed to work both indoors and outdoors right out of the box. The unit itself is weatherproof, so you can mount it on an exterior wall without needing a separate enclosure. What makes this one the best smart sprinkler controllers for most homeowners is the WeatherSense technology. It pulls local weather data to automatically adjust your watering schedule, skipping a session if rain is in the forecast, and adding more time during a dry spell. It connects easily to Wi-Fi, and you control it all from a really intuitive app. Plus, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. It's been a leader in the market for a while, and with over 15,000 ratings, people clearly love the reliability. If you want an affordable, no-nonsense way to make your existing system smart and save water, this is a solid choice. You can grab it using the first link in the description below. Next, we have a product that is perfect for those who already own a specific system. This is the Rachio Smart Sprinkler Controller Weatherproof Outdoor Enclosure. Now, this isn't a controller itself, but it is a must-have accessory if you own a Rachio 3 or 2nd generation controller and want to mount it outside. It is a durable, weatherproof box that protects your investment from rain, snow, and sun. It even has a security tab so you can lock it up. The installation is fast and simple, and it keeps that sleek Rachio look and feel. So if you already have a top-rated Rachio controller, but your mounting location is exposed to the elements, this enclosure is worth every penny to keep it safe and running smoothly. It's a simple solution that solves a specific problem perfectly. You can find the link to this right after the Orbit in the video description. Last but certainly not least, we are looking at the Rainbird ST8i2.0 Smart Indoor Wi-Fi Sprinkler Timer. Rainbird is a name that has been trusted in irrigation for decades, and this controller brings that reliability into the smart home era. It's an 8-zone timer, giving you a little more capacity for larger properties. It's EPA WaterSense certified, which means it's designed to be at least 20% more efficient than standard controllers. The app experience is very polished, allowing you to set custom schedules, and it automatically adjusts based on the season, temperature, and humidity in your specific zip code. You also get useful notifications if there's a malfunction or a potential freeze, which gives you great peace of mind. This unit is designed for indoor use, like in a garage, but it is the perfect choice if you want a durable, feature-packed timer from a brand with a long history of quality. If you are looking for a durable and powerful smart controller, check it out using the link below. So, after comparing all of these excellent options, which one comes out on top? If you are looking for the best all-around smart sprinkler controller for a standard home, the Orbit B-hyve is our winner. It offers the perfect blend of smart features, weather-adjusted watering, and the unique convenience of being both indoor and outdoor ready. It's going to save you water, keep your lawn looking great, and it's incredibly easy to use. Of course, if you need more zones, the Rainbird is a fantastic alternative, and the Rachio Enclosure is a must-have accessory for those specific users. All 3 of these picks are top-rated for a reason. Make sure you check the links in the description to get the best price on any of these models. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to a greener, healthier lawn this year.